Okay, just tell me about yourself.
I am young Sarasam Yang Janu, into the Famna, Tawai Sabutumba. I get 17 ne. First semester Kazari Dim College of Science. Aduga, I am Punshida, I am say model Moise business.
The model am oi bida chang drabaya draba gun haigadra. Overall je kai ni na khale.
Model have say Kaikumba event namagi image ni hai loje. Kasi matam punamakta present public ta hogi afaba maikong adum positive image adum uhan ba. Masis niya loy.
Chak figure of the Sandraba.
Pasaba sa changi.
Again, man, this higher than the car. I don't know, overall, that's still what I never had in the Then hide this on Pazzi, they haven't there. They also
Point that's the one level.
Maru Uber, I have the man, was a hamba. Man, hanging by my tongue, then I hear my tongue to the year, and means that's still very never saying I don't remember to talk and hiding it under my tongue. Have the acquaintance so at home, but from the thing of them.
Still, it's not like it's a formal interview, okay? But it's an interview. But at the same time, we will be guiding you. We will be teaching you how to face. And this is not the end. You will be facing lots of interviews in your life. So how to face interviews. So it's kind of training as well. Okay. Tell me about yourself.
Okay, my name is Okram Shital. I'm from Singlamay, Tongamekai. I have completed my graduation this year. I'm a chemistry honors student. And right now, I'm a student of District Institution of Education and Training, DM College.
Why chemistry?
Because it is what thrills me. Sometimes the reactions, the bombing and all. I love it. But I'm an average student. I'm not that good student. I'm not that good with studies.
But you're doing what you love, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So in spite of loving yourself, what are the other things or what are the other people you love about?
Other people that I love. I love my family and my best friends, and I love everything that is around me. Because
Slowly.
I love everything around me, my surroundings, and everyone. Because I learned something, like whether good or bad, I learned something from them, and yeah, that's what I love. But what I love the most is my mother. She's the only breadwinner, and she's such a fighter, you know. That's what I love her the most, and I know why every contestant says mother. Like they always choose to answer mother, and I know the reason completely. That's it.
So, Martin, tell me about yourself.
Okay, my name is Martin. I'm 24 years young, and I'm from Ukhrul district. I'm not shaking. Yeah, and I have completed my master's in history honors from Ambedkar University this year. Sorry, not this year, last year, 2019.
You always get confused with this year.
Yeah. Because this year is still so new.
Still so young,
So you always say you are 24 years young. Why not 24 years old?
Because I like to take things in a positive perspective. So if I say old, I'll feel old. And I believe a person is old when he or she stops having fun in life. So I don't want to consider myself old, even if I'm 50 years young.
Then I will tell the same thing.
I always consider myself young. That's why.
That's
So
interesting.
what do you feel about punctuality?
Punctuality, I am still working on it, but that's something which is really needed in one person's life. Yeah.
So why are you late today?
Actually, there is, of course, it's the excuse doesn't make sense, but I came home at 3 a.m. yesterday because one of my family member back from Ukhrul, a kid fell from second floor. So they came all the way from Ukhrul to
What
Imphal.
actually happened?
They were just playing at night, it seems, and then he slipped, and it's a newly construction going on building. So I had to go
So
and...
everything fine now?
Yeah.
Better?
Yeah. Admitted in Rims Hospital now. That's why I got little late.
Tell us more about yourself.
Okay. My name is Maria Chunupangama from Gombo Ketrilaikai. I have been a very responsible member of my family since from a very young age. When my father got paralyzed and my mom was pregnant with my sister. From that time, I have to take care of my father. At the same time, I have to look after my mom and my sister. At the time, I learned always to be positive, to be passionate, and not to wait for your parents to make your career, not to wait for others to contribute something to the society. And that's what I learned. And growing up in a socialized background, my father is a staff reporter, and my uncle is a social worker. Growing up in a socialized background, I learned I find the quality of discipline, responsibility, integrity, and unity. And I always try to portray myself always in a positive and respectful light, and always in the light of unity. Thank you so much.
So, are you positive about winning the crown?
Yes, the one who deserves will win.
No, I'm asking about your personal view.
Yes. If I work hard, if I deserve, if I give my best, then I believe I will win.
So, you are confident enough that you will be one of the winners. Okay, best luck to that.
Okay, Marlene, tell me about yourself.
Okay, I'm Marlene Monching. I'm 19 years of age, and I love traveling and singing, and I aspire to give inspiration to others.
Slowly.
Even if it is just a few person, I think I'll be satisfied. That is what I aim for. Thank you.
So it's an interview, but again, it's a kind of training as well. See,
Right.
once you are done with this Miss Manipur thing, like you'll be facing so many what you call bigger beauty pageants, you can say, wishing you the luck. Then you'll be facing interviews for your job, for your career and all. So we'll be giving you the tips and all. Okay, so like it's kind of lesson. Just take it lightly, but at the same time, be serious also. Okay. Okay, tell me one thing that people do not know or people hardly know about you, one quality.
Some other people, they just look at me and they thought that I'm weak, but then the truth is that when I really work hard, I could show them what I'm capable of.
Kind of stubborn, right?
Yeah, stubbornness.
You already mentioned that on in another thing. Somewhere I heard.
Like,
No, I mean, yeah, stubbornness, it's good in positive way. In audition or something,
yeah.
whenever you want to achieve something, you
Yeah.
work really hard or something like that you mentioned.
When I really want, yeah.
Yes. So you really want Miss Manipur crown?
Yes, I really want.
I'm Sing Fanmei of Rongmei tribe from Tamenglong district, Manipur. And I have completed my master, and then currently I'm doing this acting. I was working in pharmaceutical company as a content writer for 1 year, but since I have to take leave for my work, so I just leave my company and then working for this films and all. And right now there is 2 projects in hand, so I'll be continuing with the acting.
So if you get a big chance, okay, to enter into film, like for example, so when you compare with modeling and acting, I'm sure your heart inclined towards acting more. Okay, that's true, right? So if you get a chance to act in a movie with some big star, for example, before Miss Manipur, for example, the grand finale. Grand finale is on 18, right? So if you have to leave by 17, then you can act in a movie. So how would you deal with that situation?
For that, I will go for Miss Manipur because this invitation will be coming only after I decide. But since I have decided before for this Miss Manipur, I will go for Miss Manipur.
Okay, we want to check how responsible are you. Are you sure or just to make us happy?
No, I'm sure.
Tell me about yourself, Aluli.
About myself, I'm like fun-loving and
What is your name?
my name is Alulio and I'm from Chingmerong and I'm in my final year of LLB, studying in LMS Law College. And my aim right now is to try civil exams. Yeah. Oh, sorry.
See, it's an interview, Lily, okay? It's a formal interview, but at the same time, since Jason has said it's casual as well, the thing is like it's a part of grooming session also. Like, say for example, you kept your hand in a very casual way. So that is not the way how to face an interview formally. Okay, see, once you are done with this Miss Manipur thing, you have a long journey to go. I mean, for your to search for your career and all. So you would be facing a lot of formal interviews. So we are giving you tips. We are adding you timely lessons like that. So it's like like you are learning from today also.
Thank you for correcting the mistake.
Okay. Why LLB?
It's not really like my dream to become a lawyer, but still, it was my dad who asked me to pursue it and know about the laws and regulations of the country.
A very good afternoon. My name is Marangtam Sabrina. I'm from.
We haven't asked you anything yet.
Okay, introduce yourself.
My name is Marangtam Sabrina. I'm from Sogobel Salam Lekai, and I'm just done in my BSc first semester. And as for my hobbies, I love listening to music because music is a way to express my feelings and emotions. And I'm a singer by soul. Thank you.
Kita overconfident man, but we are Sabrina. Our genuine opinion. Okay. Still you need to be down to earth. You need to be good in balancing about your I'm curious when hiding but to pat up a layer.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I don't know to talk now, but you overconfident over man Bamzawe. I do a law in Tokraga. At the end, you will mess up with all the things, okay, unnecessarily. Just take your time, just talk calmly. You have sufficient time. Instead of delivering all the information in 1 minute, you elaborate properly and take 2 minutes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That is important. Okay, Loom, tell me about yourself. Loom, you put your hair like this one side.
Okay.
My son has a camera.
This side, this side.
Let
it come like this.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm Lumgai Lipanwai from Tamenglong district. I am the 5th child of my parents, and currently I am studying B.Ed first semester in Trinity Teachers Training College, Kwerengai.
Okay, further, I want to listen more.
Okay. And I aspire to become a teacher.
Okay.
So, like, when did you finish your graduation?
I finished my graduation in the year 2015, but I was working for 2 to 3 years in Delhi.
So, how old are you?
I'm 26.
You're looking gorgeous.
Thank you so much.
Seriously.
So nice to hear that I'm gorgeous from a very handsome person.
Yeah. Okay, tell me about yourself, your brief introduction.
Okay. I'm Ipewang Lepame from Tamenglong district, and currently I'm pursuing human rights and duties education in Manipur University. Yeah, that's what's up.
Okay.
That's it?
Yeah. And I'm a person who loves to interact with people and also in exploring new things. And apart from that, I do also love to smile because when I smile, I feel like I'm making others happy also because of that. Yeah, whenever I got a chance, I used to smile. Yes. Yeah.
You always carry smiling face. That's very sweet.
Thank you so much, sir.
Very nice.
Yes.
Okay, tell me about yourself.
Yeah, I'm Ringjoy Leewon Lamkang, and about myself, I am a very sensitive person. Like, whenever people say that I will not be able to make it, I would always feel like giving up. But my mom would always tell me that you have to follow your dream, and when you go and when you always believe, and if you let prayer be your weapon, there will always be a way for you. So that is what I am.
So is it your strength or is it your weakness?
It is a strength plus also a weakness for me.
Okay. So Rinjoy, see, I heard you are Miss Chakpi Karo?
it's a river.
Miss Chakpi.
Yeah, like Barak. Means like that we have a river called Chakpi, which is also the livelihood of all the people, but due to people selfishness, the river has come to its existence because people of Chandel has been like depending on this river for their livelihood. So now it has come to its existence. So the people of Chandel, especially the women, they are taking up this project and they are planning for this Miss Chakpi, and that was the first season, and on 15th we will be having our grand finale this coming 15th, this January 15th, our grand finale for second season Miss Chakpi.
Okay, so you are the former winner, the reigning winner
of Miss Chakpi.
That's nice. Okay, Langlen, introduction please.
My name is Elangbam Langlen Chanu from Elangkhan Pokpi Mamang Lekai. Right now I'm pursuing my graduation at GP Women College. I love singing, dancing. Thank you.
Okay, which year? GP?
Yeah, fifth semester.
Okay. अखोगी साइट की मिस मणिपुर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की साइट की लाइव फबनी विनर मैम यावबसे अदम नोय की लाइव थी बाहाय तारे आदि कॉम्पिटिशन मैम यावना लुरे अदना अदो मैम से विनर हम लाए मैम विनर लय ओइनारे अदो इसा जे मैम से उरगे कॉन्फिडेंट कितंग हनथागे तौब्रा और स्टिल आइना विनर ओइने खनब्रा और करी मोड लय रंगगी
तसेंग बैदि चही अनि मुक्प्राले पुरगा चांगप मतमदै कीबदी फावे अदुबो ऑडिशन
की भाइयो
हाय खितंग की अदुगा कइनो ऑडिशन लोरे मतुंगददी आई सुमाइन तौरगा चांगखिबनी दुगा ngamakhibani केदोबे हुजिक ngamoidoino khali.
Okay, Sarina, tell me about yourself.
My name is Sarina Naurem, hail from Kawanawam Laikai, 24 years of age, and completed my master degree in physical education and sports science from Tripura University. And I love nature, art, sport, and spending time with people who
art, sport up here.
Yes, nature, art, sport, and spending time with people who make memories in my life. And I determined to become an active civil servant. Thank you.
And Sharina, this is a formal interview, okay? Yes. But we are going to find out the mistakes that you are facing in case. Okay. Then we will be polishing you more, okay?
Sure.
So it's like a grooming session as well at the same time. Okay, see, this is not the end of the this is not the last interview for your life. You are going to face so many interviews in your future as well, right?
Yes, sir.
For your career, for any reason, or maybe being a Miss Manipur winner, people may take your interview, like, right? So yes, number one thing that I notice is like, see, I ask you questions, that's true, but the one who listens to you is, you know, the Rakesh, Sechonia, and they are also equally important. So your eye contact should be to them also, okay?
Thank
you. So that is one thing that I want to correct in first place. Okay, secondly, the one advice to you is like, you know, I couldn't tell in front of everyone. See, we give you the liberty to speak in Manipuri or English, okay? See, your English has improved a lot.
Thank you.
Okay, your confidence a lot, and you look much more beautiful now. And you're in better shape also. Okay?
Thank you.
We're so happy to see you. Okay, Jessica, tell me about yourself.
My name is Nehoiching Chongloi. Basically, I'm from Jangnoi village, Kangpopi district, and currently residing at Langol Housing Complex in Phal. And right now, I've completed Bachelor of Business Administration, third semester at Temple of Learning Degree College, Kanchipur.
Okay, so being a twins, one part of twins, like, what do you feel?
It's very interesting for some people, and it's very entertaining as well. But one of the most difficult things is that many people at Langol, I know nobody. Majority of the people I don't know, because till 2018 March I was staying outside or in Phal, so I don't know anyone. But when I shift from Mau to Langol, whenever I go here and there, many people used to call me in my sister name, my twin sister name, and I used to get shocked. But at last, I used to just say I'm the another one.
Okay, Jessica, like, see, you have been participating so many beauty pageants, right?
Yeah.
You got a direct entry to Miss Manipur as well.
Yes.
So like you must have learned so many things from other beauty patients as well. Okay. Your introduction, please.
Hello everyone, I'm Amravati Manglambam from Kaksin Kuno. Right now I'm doing my graduation at the College of Science and Physics Honors. From my childhood, I have been aspiring to become a resilient and dignified woman who can stand as a coach in promoting the child and use through educational and psychological discipline. So,
Piyana.
confidence.
Confident. Confusion sa paman. Let's ask in English so that you know she'll be able to understand on the grand finale. Like Chesmane have said, like, you know, the way how you entered, you know, the interview hall, like we could see, you know, that lack of, you know, confidence, right?
Work on that. Work really hard because you know you are also a winner, but still you are a winner of the college, right? And they are the winner of state level beauty contest. So it's a very tough competition, but still you made it to the audition. We are really proud of you. And then yeah, she was very intrigued.
Yes.
But still you are working really hard. We could see that. So work hard.
Don't lose confidence in you, okay?
You look beautiful.
Thank you, ma'am.
As usual. Most beautiful contestants. Okay, Dolina, your introduction, please.
Good evening, ma'am, sir. This is Dolina Tokchong from Lamboy Kungnangkong.
Slowly.
I'm pursuing my graduation in DM College of Science, and I love dancing, traveling, and as a person, I firmly believe in hard work and success. Thank you.
Okay, this is an interview. This is a formal interview, but we are going to find out your mistakes, your, you know, points where you are lacking, and we are going to polish you, and we are going to give you advice, okay, suggestions, tips, and all. So, like, you are already very charming. You are so beautiful. You already impress everyone. You can impress anybody easily. It's a God gifted. Okay. Yeah. Then, but you need to improve your communication skills and the way how you explain your answers, you know, to the questions, right? You know, right?